here today to show y'all how to properly fold up y'all tarp. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy lTraysavagel, back with another video, and I'm here today to show y'all how to properly fold up y'all tarp. Show y'all how to properly fold up a lumber tarp, and then I'm gonna use the same way to show y'all how to properly fold up a steel tarp. And this is the lumber tarp in the front. I got a steel tarp in the back to cover up the rest of it in a way. So yeah, let me go ahead and take these bungees off, and I'm gonna show y'all the process of it, laying it out and everything, show y'all how to properly fold it up. Stay tuned. Alright, I got all the bungees off, so y'all just make sure y'all got all y'all bungees off and everything. I'm gonna show you how to do the lumber tarp in this video, but I'm gonna do the steel tarp, but it's just gonna be in another video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna just do it that way, so it'll be two separate ones, but this just for the lumber tarp. I'm gonna do the lumber tarp first, but you got everything off. So what you want to do is, to get it off, you want to take the end of it right here, at the end part, and just pull. Or really just come this way, or matter of fact, just take an end and just pull. So roughly whatever end, and just pull it off, pull it down. I'll just take it in and pull, but I need two hands to do it, so I'm gonna end up pulling this off. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's see if I can put y'all up here somewhere. I'll pull it off. But as y'all can see, it's coming off. It's better with two than one. So pull this off. And you want the rings to be facing up, so make sure the rings is facing up. So once you pull it all the way off, you get that to the ground. You spread your tarp out. Make sure the rings are facing up towards you. So pull that all out. Pull each corner out. Let me see if I sit y'all up here. Y'all can see me. It's a good angle for y'all. Is this? Now that y'all got the tarp fully out, like mine's not all the way out, but y'all want to get all the crinks out, and then this part right here, y'all want to make sure it's it's flat, like get all that out of it too, so it's flat in a way. Y'all be smooth. So now with the lumber tarp, you got this lump, this patch right here. Now, you can flap it out, even it out, or whatever, but you want to take this and you want to bring it in the middle. This is the first step you do of folding a lumber tarp. Make sure it's out like this. Make sure this is perfect too. Feel me? So you pull that out. Now once you pull that out, you take either side. Take that corner or that corner, and you fold it to the middle. So now we're gonna take this corner, we're gonna fold it to the middle. Now I'm doing this by myself, so it's a little bit more difficult, well not difficult, a little more time consuming. So now you go to this end, and you fold it to the middle to match the other side. And you come over here, just pull it, make sure it's tight. Then you just get your middle part. Like I say, get out the cranks, make sure it's flat. It still ain't gonna be all the way perfect sometimes, but some people be claustrophobic and make sure it's perfect, but make sure it's folded like that. And you wanna work on one side right now. So now you wanna get the corner again, fold it again to the middle. You feel me? Make sure it's lined up. Fold it again to the middle. Now you come to the other side. You fold it again to the middle. Then you're going to take the middle part and you're going to bring it in close. So everything is folded the right way. You want to pull it. You feel me? It ain't going to be always perfect, but unless you go make sure it's perfect, but make sure you do that. Get all that straight. You feel me? And then, just cause it's a lumber tarp, I say fold it one more time. Me personally, I fold it one more time. So you got a small thing to play with. So you fold it one more time like that. And you come to the other side. I think I cut it off. Fold it one more time like this. So now, after you fold that side like that, you go ahead, get this, flatten that out, make sure that's straight, and now you basically got half of your tarp done. You want to make sure that's straight a little bit in the way, but it ain't gonna be always perfect. You feel me? So just make sure you do that. Then sometimes you notice the middle of your tarp, I probably could have went one more over, which is probably right here. But like I said, I'll be cool. I'm cool with it. But this how you properly fold it. Now I'm gonna sit y'all down and y'all can just fast forward, show y'all the other side so I can get to the last part to show y'all how to get the last part done. Let's see. Once y'all got both of the sides folded up like this, you want to take either or side and flip it on the other side. So now I'm just take my right side, flip it over this side, and then you want to do the same thing with the other. After a while, you get used to it. You'll know how to flip it. You take this side, flip that over, and you got like this. Now, this is the tricky part. You want to make sure you grab the end that don't has the flap going down over, like the piece you folded in the beginning. Make sure at the end when you do this part, do not grab the side that has the flap at the end that you folded first. The flap you folded first, which was down here, this is what we did. So it was down here. So you want to grab the other side, which is this side, and bring it down to it. So bring it down to it like this. Just bring it, drop it down, drop it like a 1/4 inch away. And then you want to take 2 of your bungees, or how many you feel fit. Take 2 of your bungees, and put it at the end on the ground. Put it right under. Put one of them right under your tarp. Put one right under your tarp. Then put one, like, hook it, and then just have it out. And hook. Just hook it out. But just make sure that one's out. Keep that straight. Make sure that, just like that. Just under like that. So now, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take this in, and you're gonna roll it up. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. Just take it and roll it up. Roll it up. Now that you got your tarp rolled up like this, like I said, this is where the bungees come in play. You want to take one bungee. Let me show you. I gotta grab them. I'll take one bungee, grab the other bungee. I'm gonna take it from the other side like this. Once you grab it and you get it like this, you want to pull it. Just pull it. Damn, the bungee snapped. Fuck. I need another bungee. 1 second, y'all. All right, so I got another bungee. Like I say, you want to strap them at the bottom, and you want to bring it around like this. Put one bungee through the other, and just pull it. Pull it, pull it, until you get to the other side. You pull it through here till you get over here, and you hook it. You hook it to them. And there you go. Your tarp is fully wrapped. Whew. And that's how you fold up a lumber tarp. 9 times out of 10, you can tell them to lift the tarp up and put it on your trailer because the lumber tarp is heavy. So, yeah. But like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna take this lumber tarp off. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Show y'all how to fold up the lumber tarp. I mean, the steel tarp. I'm gonna take the steel tarp off. So that's way easier. Stay tuned.